One step forward, two steps back. Got that feeling off the track. Yeah, the world keeps spinning crazy, but we got this, it's not hazy. Gotta keep them together now. Yeah, keep them together somehow.
Welcome back in the shed. Thanks for joining us once again. As you're probably aware, we've been on our trip. While we're away, we had a few mechanical and electrical problems with the bus. Sorted most of them out, but relied on the Rainex on the way home, and yeah, because we didn't have a windscreen wiper motor. So I got home and got onto European Auto Imports. They're a Sydney company, and instead of paying $600 out of Italy, and ordered a wiper link and motor assembly, a front one for the Ducato, and all up cost me $306 delivered. So that's better than $600 out of Italy. So yeah. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open the package and see what's inside. I've been watching YouTube on how to change it. It looks pretty simple. I'm going to save myself a few dollars and install it myself. The good thing about YouTube, it's got great content. Fucking looking good already. Here we go. This is it. This is the part. I was reading a lot of horror stories about this. One bloke ordered one from Japan, and it was the wrong item. It cost him $290. Others just didn't confirm part numbers, relied on the name. During the phone call with Johnathon from European Auto Imports, gave him the rego, he confirmed the VIN number, and he gave me the 100% that it's going to fit your vehicle. So that's what I wanted to hear, and that's the part I ordered. So we'll see how we go. Stay with me, this is going to be fun. The rain's holding off. I might spin the van around and change it over. Well, it's got brand new washers and pulleys, and the only issue I'm going to have is not having a pulley to remove the wiper arms. But yeah, we'll see how we go. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up. Tell us what you think. Yeah, if you haven't, jump on and have a look at Bob and Marge's adventures. You know, you'll get a bit of a laugh and you'll see where the story of this come from. I'm going to take this off. There's a screw. I'll get some spray and just give it a clean up.
What's that? The red stuff. That one. Liquid stuff. Yeah.
It's some steering.
Do I need to fill it up? Looks like
It says minimum.
Shouldn't it be
Don't touch it. You don't touch it.
It's very little in there.
Yeah. I'll need a bigger screwdriver. Yeah, just a little clip had to pop out, but that's out. I'll give that a bit of a clean up in there. Well, there's a cap and a cap there. One cap. This one's a bit deteriorated, but someone's whacked some fucking silicone in there as well. This whole fucking car's put together with silicone, I tell ya. Now, I said it before, but this is going to be the hardest part. I'll tap that. This, I'll give it a crack. Give this a crack. That's one. That's one, eh? Now we'll try the other one. Gotta close the bonnet. Well, I don't really know what all the fuss is about. I've got the other one off. I'm going to keep this one over this side of the vehicle. Here's T20 now. T20 torque. Yep. These are going to have to be cleaned up. One of these two here. One's already cracked, so that's not going to come out. I'm going to need that later on. That's already off. Probably going to have to give that a bit of a clean up. There's a big crack in the windscreen. We'll get this off and we'll show you then. I'll tell you what, this is a mess. Old Mr. No idea what he's doing strikes again, I tell you. Bit of a crack on the windscreen. And lent on it, crack some more. Yeah. Oh well. We've got this loose. Now, this is all fucking elastic up. It's a fucking mess. It's obviously happened before. The whole thing's a mess. I've got a washer here, washer jet. I'm going to try and unhook it without breaking anything. So, a little jet, a little inlet, a downpipe. Just got to work around it. We've got it. It'll come out somehow. Look at the back of that. What a mess. God. The back of this. mess. Second. It's like the second coming. Let's clean off. Well, it's coming off fucking pretty easy. Yeah. Apart from old dickhead, the fucking crowbar and the hammer. Oh, we'll clean it up. Clean it up before I take it off. So it's amazing when you don't do anything, you don't work on shit, how technical it really is. It's all part of learning. Yeah, I won't do that again. Whoa. You little dickhead. Now it looks as though there's just 3 bolts. There's one here, there's one here, and there's one here. So we'll be able to take them off. Starting to look familiar. Now I need a screwdriver. Take that off. It's your 5-pin. Told you to fit. Well, you can be the test. Just tell me if it's working. Apart from the windscreen, we're on a win. I'm going to put it all back together. Which is starting to rain, so I might just clean up a bit and then I'll slowly put it back together. I've got it half cleaned up, so. We got stopped with the rain yesterday, bucketed down. All right, so what I've done today, or in the meantime, is I've taken this and I've cleaned it up a bit, put some silicone on it, got all the glue off, and I've got some, I had some broken clips underneath, some trims. So what are they? Trim clips. So I've got some door trim clips and put in. So hopefully they are the same size and they should fit and go in. So here's the old one. So it should fit and go in. We'll make sure. We'll check it out. If not, I've got to go to some north side or some shit like that and get it sorted. But this was all cracked. Remember that was cracked, so I've glued it up with some araldite, and I've got some JB weld if this doesn't work, so we'll see how we go. All right, I'm gonna put it back on, put it back together. I put a towel all over the blanket and shit because there was rain everywhere last night. It pissed down. But yeah, all right. And it looks like there's over 50 mils of rain yesterday afternoon. So yeah. I'm gonna make this elastic stick to it. Done a good job on this windscreen. I've got new wiper blades as well, and they fit, so I'm happy. I'm just gonna sand the arms a bit and just touch them up. I'll be able to put it all back together and look a little bit neater. I'll just clean these up and just give them a matte black. Nothing too extreme. We've got the wiper motor on. It works, all settings. You know, the variable settings, it does it all. Now I'm just cleaning up, getting silicone, tidying it up there. It's a mess. So I'm not going to video it. Alright. Thanks for watching. And at the end of the day, what it cost us, $229 for the part. And GST delivery was $50. And it delivered to my door within a week. You know, opposed to 6 to 8 weeks, 8 to 10 weeks from Italy for $600 odd, and 900 fitted at that place in Maroochydore. All right, until then, keep them together. Thanks for watching.
One step forward, two steps back. Got that feeling off the track. Yeah, the world keeps spinning crazy, but we got this, it's not hazy. Gotta keep them together now. Yeah, keep them together somehow.